Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable to consider both type on the NavShip application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Tap to the three lines at the upper left corner of the screen and go to the settings option. Scroll down and in the route section you can find the second option, the consider both type, only calculate routes where my both type is allowed, and just tap to the white circle and new, this function is enabled. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.